Hi everybody, welcome to the Live with Chaudhry here at ISPE Europe Annual Conference in Madrid. I'm delighted to be joined by Teresa Minero, who is CEO of ISPE, but we're not talking about ISPE today. She's also on the international board of ISPE as a director, and she helped organise this year's event. So Teresa, it's lovely to meet you. Buongiorno, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, it's lovely to see you. This is day 2, so before we start talking about the event, how has the event gone so far this week?
Oh, I have to say that went very well, very well. As you probably know, we had 2 years of only virtual events, so we are so happy to be again able to stay together, to drink, to have fantastic Spanish food and wine. So we are happy. Happy because networking, the true networking is really only possible when you are vis-a-vis. So very good, and very good in terms of also participants. We were used to have more participants. The last time in Dublin we were 750, and in this conference we are only I'm not to be wrong, 470. 470 in this time is good, so we are happy for that. We have people from all of Europe, but not only from United States too, and from very much remote countries like Asia and other places. So we are happy for the participation. We are happy because we have 92 speakers, and till now, at least this is the second day, all speakers have been great. So very good keynote speaker. I'm sure you saw, we had FDA, we had EMA, we had very relevant industry speaker talking about gene and cell therapy. And we had in the afternoon 4 different tracks talking about sustainability, talking about the coming Annex 1, talking about I'm sure that, okay, digital quality, the track where we are, new trade, it's in engineering, so great content.
Teresa, that's absolutely brilliant. I was going to ask you lots of questions, but you preempted me by doing that all in one go. So I suppose one final question is, looking ahead, what can people expect in future from ISPE Europe going forward?
In future? Oh, we are already planning for the next year conference. We are active with many working groups, not only in Europe, at worldwide level. So difficult to mention them all, but for sure I'm very active in the Pharma 4.0. So Pharma 4.0 is 4.0 revolution in pharma, so where digital transformation is from. We are active on a new baseline that we are writing in these days, this year I would say. So a lot of things going on, so just stay tuned with ISPE.
Fantastic. And the final thing I'll say is that I was lucky enough to sit in yesterday and hear about the Hackathon, which was actually really, really interesting. So I'm guessing you'll be doing the Hackathon again next year.
Yes, we will. We are already talking to have also an Hackathon in December in Vienna, when we will have the Pharma 4.0 event. Don't know yet, but I know the emerging leaders are planning it. This time I've been one of the judges. I have the honor to be one of the judges. And I have to say, we had 16 emerging leaders, very smart. We had the 4 coaches and judge, and I think 5 judges, and we had great time because that young professional, now we call them emerging leader, they were just incredible. They were putting it out of their comfort zone, but they did it so well.
Yeah, well, I was very impressed. So, viewers, if you didn't see it, then if you are part of the ISPE and you can check out the presentations from the event, then check out the presentation from the hackathons. It was very, very interesting yesterday. So, Teresa, I will leave you to it because I know you have a very, very busy schedule after this interview and for the rest of this evening and tomorrow. So, I wish you lots of success for the rest of the event. It's lovely to meet you, and hopefully we can do it again when you have a bit more time, although I think that's unlikely knowing what you were like having met you for the first time. We'll see if we have a bit more time next time. So, thank you very much. There you go, viewers. If you'd like to know more about ISPE, check out the links above the video and find out more about ISPE. And if you're here, then make sure you attend all the sessions. They're really interesting. And until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.